All right, here we go. Yes. You are going. First, we'll play 5 in a row. I wonder if we should just play for blackout. Got about 12 minutes left.
No.
All right.
Bingo.
Well, you know what? We'll work towards bingo, and once we get one bingo, we'll see what time it is, and then we'll eat. We may decide to just keep going for blackout. We'll see. All right. So bingo. Every square covered. So you get a freebie in the middle, right? Everyone sees that. Once the question is answered, you can cross the middle off. Yeah, it's already crossed off. All right, once the question is answered correctly, then you get to pick which one you want to actually cross off. You're trying to get either 5 across, 5 down, or 5 kitty corner. Kitty corner. All right, Michaela, you're going to start us off. You ready? Oh, this isn't prizes. This is a card.
You can't do a cross. You can't do a cross.
Hmm?
You can't go like this.
You can go across.
No, you can't. See? You can go like
That's
this.
a freebie. Yep, that's a free. It's free.
Can you do
Yeah.
this? 1, 2,
You can go diagonal.
4, 5.
All right, Michaela, it's tough. Can you do it? This is the question. The question is Central European countries, starting with, I'll give you the first one. The first one is the Netherlands. Do you know your geography? The Netherlands? No? Who can answer it? Who can answer it? All right, Olivia. Do, 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 do. All right, she's going to point and show. Everybody watch.
I can't point, but I can tell you.
Okay, tell me what the countries are. Tell me what. Shh. Belgium. You don't know where they are at all?
I know. Luxembourg.
Mm-hmm.
Germany.
Yes. Shh. Val.
I want to know. Switzerland.
Yeah. That's it. You named them all 5. Do you have any idea where any of those are?
I know. No.
All right, Sabina, show us.
And we all mark Belgium.
Here's, yep, Belgium. Yes.
Netherlands.
Yes. Yep. Belgium. Shh.
Netherlands. Luxembourg.
Luxembourg's a teeny tiny one. That's right.
And
What about Germany?
oh, I know where Germany is.
Germany's this big country right here.
Germany.
Okay. What about Switzerland? Just a minute. Switzerland. Do you know where Switzerland is? Can you help her out? It's right above Italy. It's right here. You can remember it because it's got all the Swiss Alps in it. Okay, so let's say it all together. I'm going to point, you say. What is this? What is this right here?
Netherlands.
Netherlands. Belgium.
Oh, Germany.
Germany. What's this tiny one?
Luxembourg.
What's this brown one? Switzerland. All right, everybody cross off. Everybody cross off a geography. Your pick. Everybody gets to cross it off. Cross off one geography. All right, moving on. Any geography you pick. Oh, another geography. Valentina, you're next. The area, shh, too much talking. The area of a rectangle. Length times width. Did she get it right, class? Yeah. Yay! Everybody cross off a math. Arabella, you're next. You're next. You ready? A conjunction.
What is it, English?
English grammar, conjunction. Did she get it right, class? Yes, yes she did. That's English grammar.
Only 2 more.
Only 2 more? Look at you.
Wait, what are we?
Yep,
Wait.
that was English grammar.
So, geography, English, and math.
You remember, you don't cross them all off. You just cross off one of that subject. Sabina, tell me about.
Do I just cross English off?
Yeah, but you're trying to get in a row if you can.
I'm trying to.
Yep. All right.
I don't like
Yep.
this. Is it history?
Yep. Tell me about World War II leaders. Japan and Mussolini of Italy. World War II. Allied leaders were Churchill of England, Eisenhower, and MacArthur of the United States, and Stalin of the USSR. Bum 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 bum. That was history. One more.
I only need one more.
Olivia, what is a gerund? Shh. Listening, everybody. What's a gerund?
Is it science?
I can't. Can you say it much louder? A gerund is a present participle verb form used as a noun. That's a gerund. That's English grammar. All right, Danny. The Balkans. The Balkans.
I'm terrible at geography.
The Balkans.
I don't know geography.
You don't know geography? Who can help him out?
What's the first one?
The first one is Greece. We have some grease in the pan.
Oh, this one.
Oh, look at you, Greece.
Is around here.
Yep, right there. Okay. Then what? And then when did we cook in the pan?
Greece. Was it lettuce or burger?
First the burger.
Burger. And then
Bulgaria.
Bulgaria. And then
We top it with
Romania.
right here, Romania.
Romania.
And we cook it slow
Slovenia.
right there. And give it to Albania. Very good. Geography. That was geography.
I only have one to mark off anyways. Oh, I have 2 on one of mine. You could do. I only have 1 geography. Someone get another.
All right.
history.
Carissa, what is Newton's first law of motion? Shh, wait, this is for Carissa.
Is that Latin states that an object at rest tends to continue moving in a straight line at constant speed unless outside force acts upon it.
You just missed one little phrase in there. Tends to remain at rest. It is science. What is Newton's first law of motion? Newton's first law of motion states that an object at rest tends to remain at rest, and an object in motion tends to continue moving in a straight line at constant speed unless an outside force acts upon it. And I think we have some bingos. How many bingos do we have? Michaela has a bingo. All right, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna see who's got the next bingo. Sally, you have the next question. That was science, by the way. That was science.
Mama, I have a bingo.
Huh, you have a bingo too?
Yes.
All right, straight down. We haven't done any Latin. Yes, there's timeline in here too. We haven't done any timeline or Latin. Sally, shh, listening. Tell me about the United Nations. In 1940. Failed to prevent American British bomb. Soviet premier stalled. Soviet premier stalled. begin the united. Great job. Bingo. Bingo from Danny. Bingo from Danny. All right. All right, Roland, maybe there's a Latin card in here for you or a timeline. Roland, did you get your eyeball poked out by that marker?
Yep.
Is it gonna, shoot your eye out. Oh, it's another history. Tell me about how World War II began.
1939. World War II began in 1939 when Hitler invaded Poland.
Two engagements
that helped the United States
win the
Pacific Front was defeating Japan at the Battle of Midway and dropping atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. 45.
Very good. It was another history.
I can't cross off another history.
Can't cross off another history. All right, Elise, you're next, girl. Ooh, it's math. Math. Sorry, I just picked. All right, you guys got to help me with this tune because I can't get it in my head. The associative law for addition states goes something like this.
Open parentheses, A plus B
Close parentheses.
plus
C equals A plus open parentheses. B plus C close parentheses. Associative law for multiplication goes something like this. Sing it, Lacey. Open parenthesis, A times B, close parenthesis, times C equals A times open parentheses, B times C, close parentheses. All right, that's math. Two bingos. All right. All right. Michaela, it's you. It's you. You haven't got one either? History again. Tell me about the Cold. Shh. Olivia, get away from the board. Thank you. Tell me about the Cold War. In the 1980s, ooh, British Prime Minister Margaret Thatcher and American President Ronald Reagan worked together to end the Cold War, medicine, big government, strengthen conservative movement. History. You have like one.
Timeline or Latin?
You can cross off another history.
Science.
All right. All right, I'm going to cheater. I'm going to grab a timeline for Valentina, starting with Napoleon, Crown Emperor of France. Nobody has permission to be writing on this board. Thanks. Go sit down. You're not up here. Napoleon, Crown Emperor of France.
Immigrants flocked to America. Period of the earth.
Very good. That was timeline. Bingo. Got another bingo.
Just do Latin and we have two.
Just do Latin. Okay.
I already have two. I need Latin. I'm going for 3.
What color is Latin? All right. I'll cheat again. Arabella. First conjugation endings, perfect tense. Woo! Latin. That was Latin. Double bingo. All right.
I have almost 2 bingos. I almost got 3 bingos.
All right, listen up. I've only got 2 of these rags, so go ahead and erase your cards really well. Make sure the markers go in the pack.
I got 3 bingos.
3?